Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm doing a Roblox video. I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 4. I decided to play it because I've heard that Don't Press the Button's a good game, but this seems a lot more popular, so I'm gonna try to play it, see what it's like. I also happen to be eating candy cane right now. Yeah. Alright, let's get into it. Hello, why am I loading? What was that? Wait, stop moving! Reach the top. I'm not sure if I like that. Somebody has a magic carpet. I forgot what it was called for a second. Seriously. Somebody just got crushed. That stinks. See, Productions. I want to get crushed by Booger too. Huh. Watch out for the snowball. Can't see. If I stand here, nobody will catch me. Nothing can catch me. Because I am me. Shoot. I was close. Like that was really close. Let me just adjust my mic. Oh shoot. To the side. Sure. Random things. Hello, random things. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Choosing another side. Because why not? I have a bad feeling about this. Yes! That was nice. That was long. Reach out the side. This is easy. But if I reach out this, oops. Green. Games and my games are broken. Not once. I shouldn't be one to complain. Quickly get to the top! When somebody says quickly in something and they act like it's an emergency, I get stressed. Hey, I made it though. Monkey. Protect humanity. Turn to monk. Seriously? Bruh. This guy should go. Feed the giant noob. How about that dude can feed his laser gun or laser bullet or whatever you would call it? Oh god, I hate that. I got eaten. Go. No. Aww.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana.
Banana. Can I hide in here? Will the Roblox dude notice me? Okay, can't hide anymore. Get the most fun color. Okay, I can do that. I won.
I love spending time with you. Will you be my friend?
No. Watch out for the mum.
Let's be friends.
I was about to ask what mummy, but never mind. Potatoes? What? Big brain. I need a book. Why did somebody just die? In the middle of that, like, shoot. Trying. Okay, this is stressful. No. Oh, I went faster. How is one dude still alive? They're just like, let's stay here. Get ready. For what? Oh, wait. Did you anybody? Come on. Get wrecked. Got him. Oh, I didn't get him. Never mind. I got him. I can't get him. Stupid. Yes! How are you? What? Somebody shoot. I think the game just actually crashed. There's going to 2 people remaining by like 3. Shoot. Wait, who's the dude that's actually left? Somebody took mine. Unless he's gone. Hit him. He just got blown up 2nd time. Watch out from. Oh, I hate that dude. Jump. How am I supposed to do that? Okay. He's going faster, I think. We're just pretending I'm playing. Hey guys, I'm totally still playing the game. I'm totally still in. Please can't get onto your. How did you get there? I said what? I don't know what he even said. Just in the side. I'll probably die. Got some figures. Yes! Let's go. No. Yeah, actually. Yes! that's what I'm going to do. Nice. Click the door. I clicked the door. Click, click, click. I clicked it. Clicked it again. Clicked it again. Wait, which? Is that not the door? I got this. What? No way. You can't do that. Oh, this isn't gonna go off. This is the same payment I got last time. This is how you. Oh no. Change everything. See, that's why I want that magic card, but I don't have enough though. Bet you they actually got Robux and bought it. Canceling the trail has to go on. I don't know who won. Didn't say. Skip. Yes. Oh, he's dead. Wait. And I was the one who pressed the button. Close-up shot of what I look like. You're so much bigger. Skip the thing. Shouldn't that be an exclamation mark? I can't tell. It's not recording. Okay, so yeah, anyway, guys, that's basically gonna be the end of the video. The game's pretty cool, right? I think it's really cool because, like, you got a bunch of mini games. It's almost like epic mini games, but different. You gotta press a button to get to the mini game. There's no voting. You can't choose. Anyway, so please don't forget to subscribe. Also, I also created a Roblox group. That's like my YouTube base on Roblox. I'm gonna be putting it in the description. I'm also gonna be putting this game link in the description. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.